Yakalou presents 15 signs she wants you to chase her. It can be difficult to tell when a woman is interested in you. But there are several signs that she might want you to chase her. But, just so you know, if you are watching this is not a coincidence. This message is for you. So watch until the end, and you will find it. Let's go. 1. She sends you flirty text messages. 2. She compliments you often. 3. She always laughs at your jokes. 4. She reaches out to you first. 5. She finds excuses to hang out with you alone. 6. She creates subtle physical contact when around you. 7. You catch her looking at you. 8. She drops hints about her feelings for you. 9. She talks to her friends about you. 10. She tries to show off when around you. 11. She puts effort into her appearance when she knows you'll be around. 12. She remembers the details about your life and conversations. 13. She stands up for you in front of her friends. 14. She asks questions about your romantic history. 15. She maintains eye contact with you longer than usual. By displaying these behaviors, she clearly indicates that she wants you to chase her. Before you go, tell me in the comment. 1. What do you think of this list? 2. Do you agree or not? I hope this video answers your question. Don't forget to subscribe to get more tips on how to improve your relationship. Thank you for watching.